sorting materials into groups. There are various objects around us. They can be grouped into different types based on their properties, such as size, shape, color, and their uses. A material is a thing from which objects can be formed. Example: wood, glass, plastic, soil, metal, paper, etc. That is, any substance which has mass and volume are called materials. Now we are going to learn some properties of materials. First property, appearance. All materials are not alike. They are totally different. Just look these objects. These are shiny, but these objects are not shiny. That means the metals are shiny and lustrous. Non-metals are not shiny and non-lustrous. Next property, hardness. Notebook is not hard because we can fold the book. Hair bun is not hard because we can compress the bun. We can compress the towel using our hand. But we cannot break or compress the scale because it is a hard material. Like scale, spoon is also a hard material. So these are soft materials. That means non-metals are soft and metals are hard. Next property, conductivity. Metals are the good conductors of heat and electricity, while the non-metals are the poor conductors of heat and electricity. Next property, solubility. Try to dissolve some salt in water. Salt is easily soluble in water, but stone is not soluble in water. Based on the solubility, materials are classified into soluble and insoluble materials. Next property, miscible and immiscible. When two liquids mixes, they mix well with water are called miscible liquids. If we mix acetic acid with water, it mixes well. So acetic acid and water are miscible liquids. When we mix coconut oil with water, they do not mix it well because they are immiscible liquids. Water and coconut oil are the immiscible liquids. They do not mix as well. Next property, float and sink. The materials may float and can sink in water. The materials such as ring, spoon, etc. sink in water because it is denser than water. The materials such as ball which float on water because it is less denser than water. Next, transparency. Based on transparency, materials are classified into transparent, opaque and translucent. First, transparent. The materials that allow the entire light pass through it. Example, glass, water, etc. Next, opaque. The materials do not allow light to pass through it. Example, cardboard, stone, wood, etc. Then next, translucent. The material that allows some light to pass through it. Example, oiled paper, colored glass, etc.